Hey there, YouTubers! Today is bittersweet. As you already know, hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another unboxing. As you probably know, I have a Galaxy S9. 128 gigs, the blue edition. I loved this phone. I mean, compared to my last phone, it was leaps and bounds greater than my previous phone. And it's hard to let it go, especially since I'm sending it to be recycled, because I won $350 from Samsung. However, I think it's symbolic today, because as my previous phone, a Droid Mini, started me off, I think, was it a sophomore or fresh? I might have still been a freshman in high school. Started me off in my new era of my life, high school, and then this one started me off in college. Today's phone starts me off in my new stage of life, adulting. And, you know, people are like, what's wrong with your S9? Well, I mean, I didn't realize it. I do have another year of software updates, only quarterly, which is fine, but I felt this was last year. It's not. It also, yeah, the screen brightness is glitched. It can't get as bright as I want it to and need it to, especially when I'm flying my drone. And it tends to have a mind of its own from time to time. It just starts opening and closing apps, pulling down the app shade, and I get really mad. It just did just the other day, and I was just like, I'm sending you back to the landfill. And then today, the 18th of March, not the 23rd when I was expecting it, but the 18th, my Galaxy S21 5G showed up in the mail today. I was literally about to walk out the door. I had my hand on the doorknob. There's nobody else home. I had my hand on the doorknob, and I hear this pounding at the front door. I'm like, what the heck? It's the FedEx guy. So I go, Dr. Sheep. You know, it's my real name, but you know, it's like Dr. Sheep. I'm like, yeah. He's like, here you go. I'm like, oh, thanks. And I saw the symbol, and I knew exactly what it was. So I was like, I have pairs of shorts coming in the mail, but I don't think they're coming in a box this size. So I lost the cap to my paring knife. I don't know, it's somewhere probably in my room, or I accidentally threw it in the trash with some orange peels. Either way, let's cut into it. The Galaxy S9, I got it in I think October 2018. It is now March 2021. New decade. New phone. Oh, this is... Okay, so in the box there's Samsung information. You guys don't want to see that. And then there's this. This is environmentally safe packaging. No plastic. I'll give that to you, Samsung. That's really good to see. Remember when we came out with plastic because it was more environmentally friendly? It just keeps going. Remember when we got rid of paper because it was environmentally damaging to the trees? So we got plastic, and now we're back to paper. Wow, that is a lot of packaging. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, in the box, I got this free. It's a smart tag, so I can track my keys, not my phone, my keys, with my phone. So I'm not the kind of person that loses their keys. I say that. I say, oh, I lose them tomorrow, and luckily I'll have this, maybe, if I set it up. But hey, nice little added. And then here it is. Wow, this box is so thin. I don't have my Galaxy S9 box. If I did, I would show you, but it was so much bigger. It's at home. Wow, that's a beautiful box. Let's open her up. Oh. You know, I was going to buy a new phone last year, but then I had to owe my dad $1,000 for my car insurance, and so there was no more tax return for me. And this isn't even my tax return, but this is just money I saved up, which is pretty great. So we open her up. Oh. And obviously it's thin because they got rid of the charging brick. So there's this thing. And then there it is. Oh. Wow. Okay, so here's the phone. We'll set that off to the side in the box. Nothing else. I'm probably gonna need that to ship back to Korea, my S9. So can't keep it, unfortunately. But that's a small price to pay for $350. So USB-C cable. This is worse than the USB-C cable they gave me on my S9. I don't need it. I use wireless charging. I know, bad for the environment. Blah blah blah. But it's better for my USB-C cable. USB-C port in my phone, which still works. Actually, the only problem with it is that it's full of schmuck. It's not schmuck, shmoo. And it has problems with that. But this should work just fine for like the one time I'm going to... Actually, the only time I'm going to use it to transfer the data. And actually, I don't even remember the setup process for my phone. I don't remember... I remember plugging it into my old phone, but that was it. Essential app, camera, volume. I don't remember. Oh, they don't give you a SIM card tool. Oh, they do. I'm stupid. Okay. All right, I am going to get it set up because I mean this has been the whole. Oh, I suppose I should do its justice. One thing about Samsung is they put on so many things of plastic. You know, did I ever tell a story? But I was at Best Buy and I was looking at the Galaxy S21. And the rep was just like, "Oh, it's a glass back." And I'm like, "No, it's not. Not in the Galaxy S21. It's plastic." He's like, "No, that's because it's the matte finish. It makes it feel like plastic." And all I'm fingering the fingerprinting. Oh god, not fingering, fingerprinting the front of the thing. I only shattered the front now, which I guess is the good thing about plastic. You only shatter the front. You don't shatter the back, which is one less thing to fix. But now the back can get scratched extremely easily because it is plastic. Let's compare it to my S9 actually. Take my S9. I have its case. It does have a screen protector on it. It's a tempered glass, so it's thicker. It is bigger. The case must be thinner. That's what I was thinking. I was like, I'm assuming the case is going to be thinner. Oh, it's so much lighter. Because this is... Yeah. Wow, that is something else. And it's a flat screen, which I think I will like. So, anyways, I'm going to try and get this set up. This might be the end of the video. I will be back. Probably do the outro. Sorry, it buzzed. Something it didn't mention is that you can transfer all your data with the cable. I guess that's just like, oh, wireless, you know, with your accounts. Just transfer the cable. Account's added. Hold on, I'll be right back. Account added. The following accounts. Yep. Next. Alright, so now it's linking my 3 Google accounts. Sorry, I got distracted. It's they're setting up, and one thing I want to say is they talk about in the pamphlet using wireless backup and stuff. No, you can still use the cable method. Thank God. Once Apple gets rid of that, I'm gonna be pissed. But yes, I can still use the cable method, which is great. It's perfect. It's amazing. It works. I don't know what all transfers. I'm gonna find out. If my pictures don't transfer, I'll just have to go and back them up to a USB thumb drive, but that's fine. Anyways, there's not much else I need to talk about or say. I said this wasn't a review. It's just an unboxing. You've seen me already unbox my Galaxy S21 5G. I actually do not get 5G. My SIM card is 4G LTE only, so a bit of a waste. But yeah, actually, I guess I want to show you. This is my case. I had the same exact case on my current phone. Built-in hygiene protection. I did. That's just a Corona thing. But actually, I was concerned it wasn't going to protect my camera on my phone. It does it surprisingly well, actually. So yeah, I'm just going to let those things do their thing. And yeah, that's going to be it. In the meantime, I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every other Friday, 11 a.m. Central Time. And good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_Sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.